Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find the correct numbers for empty boxes below. And we have given one figure here. Here one empty box is there. Then there are 7 numbers in between two boxes. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here one more empty box is there. We have to find the value in that empty box. Then 3 numbers are there in between this 175 and that empty box, and then here one number is there. After that 177 is there. Now we have to find the values in that empty boxes. Now as here 177 is there, so here 176, after that 175 comes. So like that 174, 173, 172, and there will be 171 in that empty box. Like that 170, 169, 168, 167, 166, 165, 164, and then here 163 will come.